Namaskar. Let's explore Aadi Laya. The word Aadi literally means offbeat. Now so far I've been asking you all to be on beat, be on rhythm, make sure that you come on the sum. Here I'm asking you to look for an Aadi Laya which is offbeat. It's a very simple concept. It's not difficult at all to get the Aadi at any. Once you have a steady pulse, you know when the pulse is going 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. So the and is the off. It's quite simple. 1, 1, 1, 1. So if this is on, the one that I am saying is Aadi. But to maintain Aadi Laya when you are doing the Tatkaar is the tricky formula. The reason why I am trying to introduce the concept of Aadi Laya right now is because many a times when you are doing creative pieces where you have to liaise with the pakhavaj player or the mridangam player or the tabla player, and with that groove you have to show something as fillers, you wouldn't know how to do that. So let's explore Aadi Laya from a grassroots level so that you can then make your own combinations to represent the rhythm cycles. 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So the and is the Aadi Laya. 1, 1, and is the Aadi. Let's try doing this with the Tatkaar just to emphasize how offbeat or Aadi Laya is going to be used in a simple Chatushra Jati Tatkaar.